back to the Crochet Secrets from the Knotty Boss. Today will be stacked stitches. It says when taller stitches such as half double crochet and double crochet and up, a great way to keep the edges smooth is to use a stacked single crochet stitch. As with the turning chain, the taller stitch, the more single crochet stitches you have to stack on top of one another. Excuse me. So they've already started with something, so I'm going to make a foundation chain and then I will be right back and we'll try it. Okay, there we go. We have something to work with. It says do not chain. Place a single crochet into the first stitch of the row. There we go. Insert the hook into the left vertical bar of the last single crochet made and make another single crochet. So that would be right here. Just like that. That's pretty straightforward. Let's go to the other end and try it again. So that would be a double because I did, oh no, I'm sorry, that would be a half double because I did two. So we'll do half doubles all the way across according to her little chart. And then on the next row it says 3 for a double, so we'll try that. Okay, get a little bit more yarn here. So for a double, because that was a half double we just did, do a single, that's 2, and then one more for 3. That seems really tall. I pulled that loop up a little bit. Maybe I didn't want to do that. Like when you're starting a row with a single, make that a little bit smaller. So not quite so stretched out. 2 and 3. So that should be the height of a double crochet. So that's pretty close. And then the next row will be a treble crochet. I'm not going to do a double treble because I really don't use it all that often. But I kind of get the gist. It's really what matters. And one more. So this one is 4 stitches tall. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that should be the height of a treble. Looks pretty good. No gaps or anything, so that's nice. Let's finish off this row. That thumping sound, if you can hear it, is the sound of our handyman building me a potting shed around my outside sink, which I'm quite excited about. Okay, so half double, double, and treble. I don't know. What's on the next page? That was stack stitches. These are standing stitches. So this is a standing double crochet. So you're going to pull up a loop approximately as tall as your crochet stitch. That was a little bit too tall. We'll go with that. Holding the loop against the hook with your index finger, rotate the hook around the loop counterclockwise. Was that counterclockwise? I think so. Do not remove your finger from the loop. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Now, I guess you skip because this is making the first stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook, yarn over with the working on and draw through. It'll appear as if you have 3 loops on your hook. Yep, I would say that. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. 1, 2. You may remove your finger from the loop, put yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Oh, I don't know if I like that. I'm going to go to the end and try that again. I don't know that I like that. It's not a very pretty stitch, and it could just be that I did not do it well. But when you twirl it, that second loop is double thick. Excuse me. And I don't know that I like that. Oh, also, I didn't go in the right place. If I look close here, she went in the same place. I'm not sure why you would need a standing stitch in the same place as one, two. Nope, I did something wrong. Try that again. Tall loop, go over, through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. A little bit better than the first one. Still not entirely in love with it. Let's go to the end and we'll try it again. I like the stacked stitches, but I don't know about this standing stitch. Try it again and see if I can do it any better. Like I only got 1 loop on that, but I think that I got 2. Also, I'm interested to see what it's like when you come back to it to work in it. So, tall, counterclockwise, in, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It's hard to keep the first loop manageable, so maybe when you work into it, when you come back, it tightens it up a little bit. This is not going to be a favorite of mine, I can tell. Not when I could do the standing stitches, which are so much prettier. Or stacked stitches, I should say, not standing. This is the standing stitch. The previous one was the stacked stitches. One more, and then we'll be back to the standing stitch from the previous row. So, yarn over, and then I would go in here, I guess, and there. Oh, it's also a difficult stitch to get your hook through. I don't like that either. I split my yarn. I only have half of it. No, I don't like that. Nope, I did not get, I missed some of it there. Let's try again. Well, let's see. I think that this is the double crochet stacked stitch right here. Maybe it's this one. Could be this one. And I think it looks better than the standing stitch. The standing stitch looks better once you've gone back into it. I don't like it. Like right here, it's very lumpy. That could just be inexperience on my part. But fun stitches to add to my toolbox of things to be able to do rather than a chain. Also, this one is so much, the triple crochet one is such a fatter stitch than the triple crochet. I don't know if I like that either. Well, I'll have to practice those and see what I think. But for now, there they are. Not too hard to make.